What's going on, traders? It is February 25th, Sunday, and we are still in the channel. However, we did find some new support right here. That's a little bit below the consolidation line and the 23.6 retracement level. Excuse me. That said, we are about to retest the support level of the consolidation line right here and the Fibonacci 23.6. We're going to see right now whether or not it's going to wind up being support or resistance. It looks like it's going to be resistance as the candle is currently turning red. The time now is 10:06 a.m. and well, if you're reading any text to this, that text actually started out at like 9:45. So this new red candle that is forming just started forming at the 10 o'clock hour. When I was doing any text that I was writing, we were still on this green candle and it was being pushed back. So if there's any discrepancy between the text and the video, that's why. So that said, we have some support right under that level. It has held twice. The resistance has held out over the weekend. If we can stay above this Fibonacci line and consolidation line for any substantial amount of time and we get some volume behind us, because currently we don't have any volume right now, or we have very little. If we get some volume behind us, we may be able to make a bullish breakout bouncing off of the Fibonacci and or consolidation lines right here. Since we are above it, it does, I mean, we're just barely above it. So let's be clear about that. But it does have the potential to turn this candle green, making this support level a bouncing level. And we will bounce off and we'll come back up here to retest the resistance if at all possible. But right now, like I said, we don't really have any real volume behind this candle. So what it's been doing is it's been switching back and forth between a bullish and bearish doji. Okay, so until it figures out what it's going to do, we're just kind of stuck waiting to see. But that said, we do have like a small channel in between the support level and the resistance. Hopefully we'll be able to stay above this consolidation line into the next hour. If we can do that, then I have a feeling that yeah, we'll go on and continue pushing into a bullish direction and possibly come up here and retest the swing high if we can get through this resistance area. If we're able to stay above this, stay above the consolidation line and the Fibonacci line, we will go up into the resistance area. Whether we break through it or not, well, that'll remain to be seen. But we will get at least halfway into it where we have another consolidation line, like not quite in the middle of the resistance area, but close enough. So we may get up into it and hit that consolidation line and bounce back down. These are just the possibilities, but right now we're in this really small channel right here, looking like it wants to consolidate. Even on the impulse MACD down here, it looks like it wants to go into a consolidation. But it'll need a little more to get there. So what I'm seeing is I don't actually, you know what? This is having too much trouble. So yeah, there's way too much trouble. Even though the volume is trying to pick up a little bit. Yeah, I don't believe that it's going to go up here and retest the resistance area. I think it's going to get stopped pretty much right where it is. Like, yeah, the resistance area may be wider than what I have it here on the chart. It could be this wide. If it's this wide, as we see this candle right here wicked up that high and immediately got pushed back. So the resistance area could actually be that wide. This candle didn't even make it up there. Has just a slight wick on it. And this candle, our current candle, isn't really doing anything. Like I said, it's just flip-flopping back and forth between red and green dojis. So this is where I'm going to leave it off for today, guys. Yeah, and it's starting to turn more red right now. We will not be pushing through this resistance level. It's turning against us as I speak, and the volume is picking up. That candle's getting stronger. Looks like we're going to get pushed back down below. Hopefully this support level right here, even though it's kind of weak, we'll see if it holds up. If it does, then we have an even tighter channel than what I thought before. With the resistance area being lower than what I had it on the chart initially. So yeah, I'm thinking between the bottom of the resistance, which is 51,614.81, and the top of the support, which is 51,353.33. That's our current channel. It's kind of tight, kind of small, which will most likely, if it stays in that little tight channel, will lead to a consolidation. That's my time for today, guys. I will see you tomorrow. You guys have a blessed day. And as always, this is the Dark Sage signing out. Peace.